Hey, what's up? It's Dee at Earthworks, and it's time for some fall veggie gardening. If you're looking to plant some fall veggies, we've definitely got what you need here at Earthworks. We've got plenty of herbs, like the oregano we got here, different varieties of oregano. We've got some dill and fennel, along with mint. And we've got some big basil, one of my favorites here. If you'd like to get some basil. And of course, plenty of tomatoes, and tomatoes and the basil are a good companion plant together. Also, we got different varieties of peppers. Here's your hot peppers right here, the cayenne pepper. And we have the sweet banana pepper. And we have your big bell peppers as well. So lots of different varieties, different tomatoes. I'll come over here. Lemongrass you can use as tea. You can use these for different things for cooking. We have some different varieties of tomatoes. We have heirloom tomatoes here. We also have your snacker tomatoes, your little cherry tomatoes. And we've also got organic tomatoes as well. And we've got your beans for your fall gardening. So we're gonna get into some cooler things, some cooler weather plants, which that would be your broccoli and your cauliflower, which that's a good time. It's a good time to plant this stuff now. And we've got more tomatoes and of course your eggplant, and we even got pineapples. And if you're looking for seeds, we've got your seeds as well inside here at Earthworks. It's time to get that fall veggie garden on. So we're back here at our Earthworks fall garden, and we've got Jay and Emily over here. They're planting stuff right now, but we've got different varieties of plants. We got some tomatoes in the back, as you can see, and some green beans. And then over here, this is going to be our little trellis where we've got some snap peas going, and we're going to do some different varieties of things like carrots and lettuce. If you're renting or if you want to move your plants around, you can do veggie gardening in containers. And if you're new to Florida, it's a good way to find out what you can plant. You can stop by Earthworks. We're actually going to be having a seminar on October 21st, and you can stop on by, get registered, and find out what you can plant. We have a long growing season here for vegetables and different plants. So stop on by, or you can talk to somebody at the garden center here, and we will get you started on your fall veggies.